welcome to Unbox Stimulant Quarantine Edition. And today I have a very good product here that I want to unbox and see how it functions. So let's get started. So this is a box here, and as you can see, it's from AliExpress. And so let's open. I had already opened it slightly. So this is a box here. That's paperwork, and we have this box over here. Put it on the side, and then this item, it's called power meter or watt meter. So you also have a bit of documentation here which you can read. So here is all what it contains. It's called power meter, and also it is here at the back. So this is a device that is used to measure the amount of wattage that a device or an item is using. And as you can see here, you plug in the item here. And for our case, we are going to plug in several smartphones that I have here with me and see whether the amount of wattage indicated at the lower side of the charger is as it is. So let's head over to the phones and get started. So this is the extension over here, and we are going to plug it in over here. And then switch it on, and as you can see, it turns on. Let me just make it stable. As you can see, it's now stable. So as you can see, it shows the amount. This one is calculating the digits or the amount of time that we are connected, and here is where the wattage will appear once you plug in a load or an item there. This is where you plug in over here, and then these are the history. You press here for the history, and then this is for energy, for reset, and the cost which you can set, and also this one is for set or okay. So let's go on and start with this old phone here. This Tecno P5 is very old. I can't even trace the charger, so I'm going to use an old Infinix charger over here. And as you can see here at the bottom, or rather at the side, you can see here it's rated at 18 watts over there. So let's plug it in here. So I have plugged it in, and so we put in the charger, and then it's still it's charging at as you can see over here, it's charging at 3.7, 4.1, around there. So we can say it's around 3 wattage. That's how the amount of power that this smartphone is using. Let's head over to another one. This is a Cubot smartphone that I reviewed some months ago. This one, Cubot J3, and this is its original charger over here. And as you can see, it's rated at 5 watts, 5 volts, 1000 mAh, which is 5 watts. So let's plug it in here, and then we come over here. I plugged it in, and as you can see, it's so there you go. Is about it's actually over what is rated at 6.1, 5.3, so it's around 5 watts there. It jumps and it keeps on disconnecting, but as you saw there, it connected at around 5 watts. As you can see over there, 4.5, 2.9, 2.8, and it shoots to 4.3, so that one is good. I have also tried plugging in a fast charger, the Infinix one, and as you can see, it does not make any big change because this phone does not support fast charging, so it's the same as the other lower charge that you got from the original. The other smartphone is this Tecno the Tecno CX here, and so let me plug it in and see. It's disconnecting a bit, but as you can see from there, it's using around 8.1. So 8.1, 7.8, so it's around nearly 10 watts of charge using this original charger for Infinix. And as we can check over here, you can see that it's also rated 5.0 1.2, so it's still using the right way. So let's try the Infinix quick charger and see how it works with it. So I've plugged it in using the quick charger from Infinix, and as you can see, there is no big change. As you can see here, it's actually so slow. Let me plug it in, and there you go. So let's see. So it's there at 0.6, that's so slow. 0.5. Actually, this is very surprising because these are quick charger, but it's using very little of it. So I would rather stick with the original, that is output of 6 watts. So you can see, let me plug it in again. So there you go. There it is. Actually, now it's at 0. It's simply not charging. So finally, let's go to the Lenovo K5 Pro, the final smartphone. And by the way, it got a lot of views, a video that I reviewed a year ago, and so I'm very thankful to you guys for it and continue supporting me. So as you can see from this charger over here, it's rated at 18 watts. As you can see, 9 volts 2.0 or 12 volts 1.5. So let's see whether the phone supports 18 watts of charging or is just some writing. So let me plug it in and see. So I plugged it in, and for sure you can see from there it just shot to 18 watts. Now there you go, 14, 21. It's surprising. It's actually above what it's supposed to do. That's 20.9 watts. That's very funny because it's rated at 18. And as you can see, it's going beyond 18, 19.0 watts. As you can see there. So the charger actually is true. It supports fast charging, and it's even beyond the 18 watts, as you can see. But something I would like to tell you guys is that one, the smartphone is very old, and I will not recommend it to somebody right now. There are better smartphones for 2020 that are good, and I would say that the charge is very fast, between 0 to 70%, but once you bypass the 70% mark, the charging slows down, and I can guess it goes down to even 10 or even 8 or 5 watts. Now you can see it's going down to 15.5 watts, down from 20 or 19 there. It's still fast charging, 15.4, 15.5. So actually the phone supports fast charging, and as you can see from this device here, it's very fast, 15.6 there, which concludes that yes, the smartphone Lenovo K5 Pro supports up to 18 watts of fast charging. So let me plug it out and see whether it will pick up. So I've plugged it in out, and as you can see, the wattage goes to 0. Let me plug it in again. There you go, 1.1, 8.3, 6.1, 15.4, 16.0, so 5.0, 1.2, 11. So it keeps going up and down. But the thing that we have just seen is that the phone supports fast charging. So that is it. Those are the smartphones I had with me today. And continue subscribing to this channel, and more content is coming on the way. So that is it for this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care and have a nice time.